to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Tiffany, and today's video is going to be a follow-up to my Christmas 2020 Shop With Me video that I filmed a couple days ago. If you guys haven't seen it yet, then I'll link it down below. Go check it out so you can see me actually browsing and trying to pick out what I was actually going to buy. This is going to be a two-part video. The first part is going to be the craft and the DIY supplies, and then the second part is going to be the decor part. So I got stuff for the inside of the house and for the outside. So if you guys want to see what I got, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so the majority of this stuff is either from Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, went to the Dollar Tree. It's just a combination of things. I did buy some things online as well. I will try to link it down below if I can find these things online so you guys can purchase yourself. So let's get into it. Okay, firstly from Hobby Lobby, I got a ton of this paper and multiple patterns here. These were like 69 cents each, but I believe they had a deal going on where you could get 4 for $1, so it's a really good deal. I did do that deal. Again from Hobby Lobby, I got 2 sheets of red felt, 2 sheets of green felt, 2 sheets of white felt, and 2 of black. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for my DIY videos to see how I use all of these things. I will be starting to film those shortly. I'm just waiting for a few more things in the mail. All right, next up, I got a ton of ribbon. Now these are either from Joann or Hobby Lobby. This one I like a lot. It's like a duochrome. You can kind of see it shift from red to green. This one's really neat. I got this one from Joann's. And then from Hobby Lobby, I got this thin ribbon set in red, green, and white. Next up is this rope ribbon. I got all of these from Joann's. I got the red, white, and green, and then the red and white. Next is this Christmas twine. I got it in multiple colors. Some craft wire. You can't get this at the Dollar Tree. It's a little bit cheaper, but I was already at Hobby Lobby and I saw it, so I went ahead and grabbed it. Now all of this stuff from Hobby Lobby was half off. That's why I got so much and I went crazy. When they have that sale, I try to get as much as possible then to get the best deal, because you know Hobby Lobby, it can be quite expensive if it's not half off or you don't have that 40% off one item coupon. Okay, next I got these Gingerbread Foam Men. I'm going to make a DIY with these as well. I'm going to make a gingerbread wreath. It's going to be really cute, so I got these. Next up, I got a bunch of foam discs. I got these from Hobby Lobby and I got these ones from Joann's. Maybe 2 different sizes. Again, another DIY. I got this bling garland from Dollar Tree, and the other 2 ribbons, the gingham and then the black, are from Hobby Lobby. From Dollar Tree, some fake snow. I already have some of these in my collection, but I wanted to get another new bag just to have just in case. Again, from the Dollar Tree is these little Pom Poms in multiple sizes. These are always good to have. As you can see here, my daughter already got into this bag of foam stickers. I did get this from Hobby Lobby. It is an assortment. It looks like there's gingerbread, some candy canes, some candies, some gumdrops, some peppermints, all kinds of little cute foam stickers in there. Next, I got these really cute felt Christmas tree stickers with rhinestones. I got 2 of them. I thought they were absolutely adorable. From Hobby Lobby, these little glittery sparkly bows with a little pearl accent on them. These are from Hobby Lobby as well. I got some candy canes and then some little holly. They're glittery and sequined. They're so cute. Wonder how many times I'm gonna say so cute in this video. Let's try to keep count. And then again from Hobby Lobby, some little puff stickers. I love these. You can get these at Dollar Tree too, but I saw these at Hobby Lobby and had to have them. These ones are from Hobby Lobby as well. They are felt stickers and they're much larger, as you can see. I'm gonna use these on my letterboard. And then some more bling wrap from Dollar Tree. I got it in gold. This is always good to have as well. I have the ribbon and I have the sticky sheet, so I've got both. Some little hat felt stickers from Hobby Lobby. I thought these were adorable. These were like $1 each, and I haven't seen anything like this at the Dollar Tree, because you know I like to compare the prices at Hobby Lobby to Dollar Tree for craft supplies. You can't get more at Hobby Lobby for your money than at Dollar Tree, but I saw these and I thought they were adorable. They are little snowman carrot noses. How stinking cute. I got 3 of them. These are also for a DIY. This was so cute too from Hobby Lobby. It is a DIY Holly Garland, so it gives you all the materials, the string, pom-poms, everything, and then you can make it yourself. I'm probably gonna use this on my letterboard as well. Again, from Hobby Lobby in the little mini Christmas tree section. I absolutely love that section. It's so good for crafts and the price is unbelievable. These are little candy canes, so I got mini ones and I got some larger ones. Again, from Hobby Lobby, these little multicolored bells. Super tiny, but perfect for DIYs. Again from Hobby Lobby, some little mini red ribbons, super small. As you can see in the box, there's a ton of them. Now I already opened this one just to see how many lights were actually on this little garland, but I got 2 of these little light bulb garlands in that mini Christmas section at Hobby Lobby. And these were an absolute score. I was looking everywhere for Santa suit stickers. I saw something on Pinterest. I was like, oh, I need to make that. But the manufacturer no longer makes those stickers. But I was lucky and I found these at Hobby Lobby and I got 2. They're so cute. They're little Santa suits. There's a little Santa jacket, Santa shoes, and a little Santa hat. I am gonna make a DIY with this too, so stay tuned. Again from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby should be sponsoring this video. I spend so much money at their stores during the holidays. I got some little hollies, little holly picks. And as well, and then also these little mini wreaths. How cute are those? Okay, I will admit I had to buy these on Etsy because I went to every single Dollar Tree store in Las Vegas and I could not find these. I did pay $3 each, so it was like $6 plus shipping and tax. I think it came out to like 10 something, but for me, it's worth it. I had to have these when I saw them on Dollar Tree's website, but again, they were so hard to find. So I will link the shop down below that I got these from if you guys want to buy them too, or maybe you're lucky and you can find them in the store, but I gave up. I checked every single Dollar Tree. I mean, not every single one, but I swear I checked like 8 or 9 and none of them had these. These cute little gingerbread houses. I couldn't find the gingerbread men either. I found the tree, the snowman, they had a star, they had an ornament shape in the wood cutout, but I could not find these. So I caved and bought them on Etsy. Look how cute, oh my gosh. I can't even deal. So I got 2 of these. Again, I'm gonna make a DIY with this. Might have to go buy more. I don't care if I'm paying triple the price. They're so cute, I need them. So I did end up getting the wood cutout one from Dollar Tree in the Christmas shape. I only got 1, I may go back for more. And then also from Etsy, I got these gingerbread men. I got a gingerbread man and a gingerbread girl. Now, they do have them at the Dollar Tree. They have them in the ornament, they have it in the felt, but I wanted them a little bit bigger. And like I said, I could not find the gingerbread man at the Dollar Tree. So I caved and I bought these. Again, way more expensive. I think they were $2 or $3 each, but again, to me, it's worth it. I got 2 men and 2 girls. I am gonna make a DIY with this as well, so you need to stay tuned. I will link the shop that I bought these from down below as well. And then from Hobby Lobby, again, these are gonna be a DIY. I've got 2 DIYs planned for these. So I got my daughter's initial, D, my initial T, and my husband's initial Y. There is 2 in a pack. They are made out of MDF wood. And they are, let's see, they're 4 inches, so they're not super big or super small. I am gonna put these on our tree. You have to stay tuned for that DIY. And then from Hobby Lobby, I got a combination of Christmas glitters here in this little shaker. I also got an iridescent one, just plain iridescent. Most importantly for my gingerbread DIYs, I got the 3D puff paint. I did get this set. It was $6.99, but I used my half off coupon at Hobby Lobby and got them much cheaper. But they come in multiple colors. I think I am gonna have to buy a big white one just because that's the one I'm gonna use the most. And then I got some more Mod Podge and then some felt and foam tacky glue for the felt projects that I have. And then got some more red and green paint, typical Christmas colors. I got this, the Folk Art brand. I got these at Hobby Lobby. I do have my good old apple barrel paints here. But I will need more considering all the painting I'm gonna be doing. Got some more wooden dowels for my projects. Now this DIY I'm gonna make with these cups is so cute. I still need to get the string lights, but this one I saw and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to make that. So I got a ton of these little mini red solo cups. This is for my tree, but I might be using it on wreaths and DIY projects, but I got 2 of each of these. I'm only showing 1 of each. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were half off, so like $5 a piece, and they're big. I got a red and white candy cane one, and then a plain red. They do have deco mesh at Dollar Tree, but you don't get a lot for the money, and this is so much better quality, and you just can't go wrong. Sometimes it's good to splurge, you know, and sometimes it's good to be cheap. But with these kind of things, it's better to pay more to get more, instead of having to spend more to get less, if that makes sense. Okay, I've got like 7 more things to go. So I got these at Home Depot. These are just clear C9 light bulbs. I'm gonna use this in a DIY as well. Got some faux fur trim from Hobby Lobby. I was looking for the furry yarn, but I could not find it, so this will work for my DIY. And these three things here proved very hard to find. I almost caved and bought it online, but I went to another Hobby Lobby and I found them. And it was the last three, so it was like it was meant to be. And they are these little rhinestone buckles. So I got 6 of them. Another DIY, it's gonna be cute. And then from the Dollar Tree, I got this little candy cane like tinsel garland. I don't know how I'm gonna use this yet, but I thought it was cute considering my theme is candy cane. And then from Amazon, I thought this was a great score. I have a DIY in mind for this. I got 12 candle holder wreaths. Look at that. Isn't that adorable with the hollies and stuff on it? So cute. So I got 12 for $12, so they were like $1 each. Now these also proved to be hard to find at Hobby Lobby and online at Hobby Lobby's website. Again, I went to another Hobby Lobby and I found these, and they are the little peppermint ornaments. Now I am going to take them off and use them individually in projects, and then also as ornaments themselves on my gingerbread tree. I got 3 sets of these little tinsel sisal trees. I got these from the dollar store. I will go back and get more. I should have bought more. I don't know why I got only 3. And last but not least is my wreath form. Now I had to pay, it's like $6 for this, so 40% was like 3 something, which the Dollar Tree has them, but they weren't as big as this one. And this is for my gingerbread wreath. So I'm gonna put all my decorated gingerbread on this. I wanted a bigger one, but not too big because it's going in my kitchen, but here we go, 19-inch wreath. I think the Dollar Tree has like 9, maybe even 10 is their biggest size, so this is definitely bigger. All right guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. I will link my Christmas 2020 shop with me video down below so you can check it out if you haven't done so already. I will also try to link as much as I can in the description box down below if you guys want to purchase anything that I got. Also stay tuned, I've got a lot of Christmas themed videos coming your way. I've got 10 to 15 DIYs off the top of my head that I'm gonna make for you guys. In addition to Christmas recipes, I am gonna be making Christmas cookies this year to mail out to my family and give to my neighbors. We're gonna do Elf on the Shelf with my daughter this year. It's the first year, hopefully she's not watching this so I don't ruin the surprise. So if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys get notified so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos or any of my videos in the future. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.